Hey everyone, it's Linda. Tonight is our, oh, I got it upside down. Seared steak with Demi reduction. This was really good, and some of the products you're going to see it on speed. I shouldn't say speed, but time lapse. And you're going to see it on time lapse, so it's probably only about 3 minutes long. And some of the products that I used, definitely I've been using that. The cast iron skillet. It is just something that everybody needs in their kitchen. Some of my cookware with the removable handles. Also that beautiful, notice the beautiful ash wood cutting board. Also my knives, my forged cutlery, you will have those forever, which I love. They have a lifetime guarantee. My kitchen shears, everybody needs a set of a good set of kitchen shears. And so lots of great tools, and anything left over, of course, go into my prep bowls because I store them in my prep bowls. So enjoy this, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Hey everyone, it's Linda, and here it is. This is the seared steak with the Demi and the mashed potatoes. I forgot to put butter in them. Sorry, I'm going to put butter in them. But easy, easy, easy. I did the carrots in our Rockcrok small grill stone, which I love because it goes every place, on top of the stove, in the oven, under the broiler, on the grill, in the oven. I love it. In the dishwasher, the microwave. And so this is going to be what's for dinner tonight. And so post down below what you're having for dinner tonight, because I always like to hear what everybody is having for dinner. So have a good night and stay safe. And I will talk to you probably tomorrow. We're making some kind of Southwest chicken tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.